Hello together. This video explains you how to do the CPX API Ethernet IP commissioning in Rockwell with a generic EDS. You see here I have already a running system with my guard logics. I have also an IP address on the Ethernet IP node, which is 192.168.0.5, and my system is looking like following. Here is the node. Then we have V2G and MPAL on the left side. And on the right side, we have some API modules. To start the commissioning in Rockwell, we are just going here offline. And then we say here on the Ethernet tab, right mouse, new module. We type in generic, and then we find here the generic module inside the Logix software. Double click on the generic module, and then I have here to define the name CPX API, the IP address 192.168.0.5. Here is now the format. This is very important because the format defines your connection parameters and the assembly instances which you are allowed to use. The standard format is, for example, data sint, and then you define here the input which is starting with 100, the output which is starting with 101, and the configuration with 102. The size is depending on your system. The easiest way to find out what amount of bytes my system is using is to go to the web server and see here the assembly instance 100. You find it here at Ethernet IP assembly view. 100 is 30 bytes, 101 is 28 bytes. With this information, I can go back to Rockwell and say here 30, 28. Okay. Then I'm making here the download. Go to run, and then you're recognizing everything is running because my configuration was correctly. You see here, then in the controller tag area, the outputs, for example, where you can now change the data of our system. If we have again a closer look in the output exact assembly view, then we are recognizing, okay, starting at 0, we have here all the coils for VAM, and then we have here the MPAL coils starting with 24, and so on. That means if I'm going now here back to Rockwell, first byte includes 8 bits, means here, for example, I'm writing here a 1. Then here we are 16, here we are 24, here starts the MPAL, I'm writing here a 1. And then you're seeing here both parts of my system are on. This was now a short introduction how to use the generic EDS with exact assembly instances. Thank you for your attention. Bye.